Hi guys, in this video I will show you three ways to display validation error message in Laravel application. So let's get started with the example. So I created a simple form with the name, email and password field. So if you go to my blade file, I simply used the bootstrap 5 and created a simple form. So if I go and if I click on submit, you can see that it simple display all the inputs. And if you go to the controller, you can see I haven't defined the validation error validation. So if I go and let me go and define the validation, so I will use the request object and validate method. Inside the validate method I just need to pass the array with the inputs validation name and required. Then I will say email field, that should be a required, and then I will say like email, and then I will say like password input, and inside the password I just need required. Okay, and simply submit it. If I go here, go back and refresh it, and if I submit it, it's redirect back because validation is true, but it haven't displayed any message. So first way, let's display all the messages. So let's like first way, and simply if validation true, then Laravel returns the error message. So if I go if there is errors variable, then count, and simply if it's greater than 0, then it should be displayed all the messages. And if I go, and then I will create one div, and that will be alert danger class, and then I will say like ul for each errors and all, that means all the message together. So if I go one by one error, and if I go and for each, and then I will say like li, and then I will display simply the error. Okay, and let's see, and let's submit it. You can see that like name field, email field and password field is required. So first way, display all the message together. Now I want to display under the input of like name input, email input and password input. So let me go and use the second way to display the validation message. So if I go here and like second way, and I will simply use if errors has name, and if there is a name validation false, then span, and I will class text danger, and then I will simply display the message. So I will say like errors first, and then I will say the name. So I will simply copy and paste for all. So if I go here, same thing I will do for email, and I will copy it, paste it. So let me copy now, and let me do for the password as well. So if I go here, let me do for password as well, and save it. Now if I go and refresh it, and if I click on submit, you can see that name field is required, email required. Okay, now I'm going to show you the third way. Okay, so this is the best way, so you can use that one. So if let me go here, let me use the error attribute, and inside that name, and like and error directive, and if I go here, then I will like simply see the br tag because it's displaying the second line, so that's why. So and the text danger, and then you need to just display the message. What is the message? Okay, it automatically comes because we are using the error directive. Same thing I will copy and paste. So third way. Okay, so let me go and let me paste it and simply change. Okay, email, then I'm going here and let me change the name, password. Okay, save it, and if I go and I hit refresh, and if I click on submit, you can see that it display, and it's much clear. Okay, so you can see that this is the third way and this is the best way, so you can use and you can keep that one only. So you can see that let me remove that quickly, and let me show you that. So if I go here and let me remove this one as well, and if I save it and refresh, and now you can see that it's much clear. So we can I think remove the br as well. So let me go, remove, save, refresh, click, you can see that. So you can use this one and it helps you more. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe us. Thank you.